Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Shani. It's been like a whole century since I ever shot a video where I recorded myself speaking, and you people could have definitely thought I went deaf and dumb, but I'm back here sharing my cooking ideas as usual. It's a Saturday and it's around 2:30 when I'm shooting this video, and I just wanted to step out and my mind was telling me, Sharon, it's the second week and you have not uploaded any video yet. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? And yes, that is what got me here. And I thought, what could I just make? Considering timelines, I really want to step out of my house, but I really want to have something ready so that when I come back, I just edit and upload the video for you guys. So for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for keeping it locked at Cooking with Shani. We are now at 1.39k subscribers, 10 subscribers to 1400 subscribers. I'm really grateful. And for my new viewers, please feel free to subscribe. This is a beautiful place. This is a beautiful home of very original recipes using very simple ingredients. So in today's episode, I'm actually just going to show you how to make breadcrumbs at home. I know most of you love breadcrumbs for coating your chicken. Chicken. I just remembered a KFC chicken video I did almost a year ago. It never really picked, but guys, what do you always want? That recipe is fire. It's something else, but it never really picked. But then I will just share the link in the description box so that if you have not seen it yet, you can just go and check it out. Those who want to coat your fish fillets, your steaks, I got you. So today I'm just going to show you how I make my breadcrumbs at home. And the advantage of making breadcrumbs at home is that you can choose the kind of bread you want to use, necessarily not white bread, whether you love brown bread or whatever kind of bread you like. You can actually make the breadcrumbs for that particular bread that you use. And today I'm just really doing raw videos. I didn't want to record first, then I will have a voiceover later. No, we are just doing everything as we move. So the first thing I do, these are 5 slices of bread. So I'm just going to break them into tiny pieces. Then we are going to blend this, and afterwards we will meet and I will share more about what we do after we break the bread slices and blend the pieces. So this is my bread, guys, and I just want to add this contents to my blender and we will blend this. So occasionally we will be turning this to just ensure the lower blended bread mixes up well with what is above. So just allow me to take this and just churn my bread. And yes, I think I'm satisfied with what I have. So I'm just going to transfer this back to my plates. Then I will heat the breadcrumbs over very low heat and stir for 5 to 6 minutes to just allow adequate drying. And so this is what I have, and I think I like it. I think you also like this. Yeah. All these are breadcrumbs. Don't they look beautiful? Don't they look lovely? I mean, you don't have to be buying these things in the supermarket all the time. I don't have to teach you everything, huh? Next is the heating process, and I'm just going to transfer my breadcrumbs to my pan, and this is under very low heat to just ensure every moisture in my breadcrumbs is taken away by the heat so that they become very dry. Perfect and beautiful breadcrumbs. So we cook this under low heat for 5 to 6 minutes before we actually now set them out to dry completely and store them in a jar. So friends, after 5 to 6 minutes, this is what I am having, and at this point I just let my breadcrumbs to cool, dry very well and cool. As you can feel, they are a bit crunchy kind of, because most of the moisture is out of the breadcrumbs. So once they cool, we can be able to use or store them. And what's up guys, after 15 minutes of cooling my breadcrumbs, this is what I have. Very good breadcrumbs. Never waste your money again buying breadcrumbs from the supermarket unless you just have a lot to use. But this is how we save coins in the kitchen, and of course it's me and my golden spoon against the world. So I really hope you try this and give me your feedback. For me, this is even better than what we buy from the supermarkets. I've not tried storing it for long, but once it's dried up and you put it in an airtight dry container, you can use this for up to a week. Beyond a week, I cannot really ascertain how good they will be for using, because I don't have any preservatives to add to this, and it's very flexible. Anytime you have bread in your house, you can always make breadcrumbs. So goodbye, thanks for watching, see you next week. I love you guys.